Meet the next generation self-empty robot, the Shark AI Robot Self-Empty XL. Its advanced AI laser navigation. This robot cleaner can do scrubbing 100 times per minute. And it precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding objects day or night. This vacuum cleaner combines powerful suction with sonic mopping. And now with Ultra Clean mode, you can target in deep clean single rooms. Cleans high traffic zones and specific spots very easily. Its Ultra Clean mode combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern. It deep cleans corner areas that need it most. The Shark AI robot also features a bagless, epic self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to 2 months. Perfect for homes with pets, it effortlessly captures pet hair, dust, and allergens. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice, with up to 120 minutes of runtime, quick recharge, and resume functionality. Cleaning has never been easier. Get ready for a cleaner home with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Introducing the ILIFE V3X Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, your ultimate cleaning companion. Experience real 2-in-1 functionality with simultaneous vacuuming and mopping for maximum efficiency. With powerful 3000 Pascal suction, it effortlessly tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair on both hard floors and carpets. Its intelligent gyro navigation ensures thorough cleaning, with multiple remote control function, including spot cleaning, path mode, and edge mode cleaning function. Whether you are at home or outdoors, cleaning is at your fingertips. Control it effortlessly with the ILIFE Home app, Alexa, or Google Home. Enjoy up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning and automatic recharging. Plus, with a comprehensive accessory package and 12-month warranty, cleaning has never been easier or more convenient. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the ILIFE V3X today. Presenting the ECOVACS DEEBOT N10 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo with Auto Empty Station, revolutionizing your cleaning routine. Experience the ultimate convenience with simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, ensuring every surface is pristine. Powered by advanced LiDAR navigation, it maps your space accurately for efficient cleaning. With a staggering 3,800 Pascal suction power, it effortlessly tackles dirt and debris. While the 5,200 mAh battery provides up to 330 minutes of cleaning on quiet mode, the Auto Empty Station holds 2 months' worth of debris, offering hands-free cleaning for 60 days. Plus, say goodbye to pet odors with its specially designed dust bag and filter. Elevate your cleaning experience with the ECOVACS DEEBOT N10 Plus, where innovation meets efficiency. Introducing the Roborock Q7 Max Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop with Auto Empty Dock Pure. This powerhouse of a cleaner offers hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks with its Auto Empty Dock Pure feature, which automatically empties the dustbin after each cleaning session. With a massive 2.5 liters dust bag capacity, it's perfect for busy households. Equipped with a powerful 4,200 PA suction, the Q7 Max Plus easily tackles debris and pet hair on various floor types. Its intelligent LiDAR navigation ensures precise mapping of your home for efficient cleaning routes, while the ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously ensures a deeper clean. featuring an upgraded brush system that resists hair tangles, a combined dustbin and water tank for uninterrupted cleaning, and a long-lasting battery for up to 180 minutes of runtime. This robot vacuum is a game changer for effortless cleaning. Plus, with its compatibility with Alexa and Easy App Control, cleaning has never been smarter or more convenient. Meet the Dreametech L10's Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Revolutionizing home cleaning with cutting-edge technology. Experience fully automated cleaning like never before. With its innovative features. With automatic dust collection, mop cleaning, and drying. Along with self-refilling and self-emptying capabilities, cleaning has never been easier. The DualBoost 2.0 system ensures up to 60 days of hands-off cleaning by efficiently emptying the dust box into a 3 liters bag, powered by advanced AI navigation. This robot rapidly learns your home, customizes cleaning strategies, and generates optimal paths around obstacles and different flooring types. Its robust vacuuming and carpet cleaning capabilities, with 5,300 Pascal suction and automatic carpet detection, ensure thorough cleaning on all surfaces. The dual rotary mops leave your floors shining, covering large areas with ease. Control and customize your cleaning from anywhere with voice commands or the intuitive app interface. With the Dreametech L10s, enjoy a cleaner home effortlessly. Moreover, the robot doesn't just clean, but also maintains its own hygiene. The mops are automatically cleaned and dried, ensuring pristine floors and preventing odors. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all updates.